Here's another great new item that we've got. It's a metal sign holder for the Waterfall arms. This will replace all of your swan necks. It has a magnet attachment in the back of it here, and it very simply attaches itself right to the bottom of the Waterfall arm right here. To go with that, you've got branding cards that slip right in. And if, for example, this item is on sale, you get a sale card that slides in front of it. Now, for safety purposes, for attaching these metal sign holders to the top row of Waterfall arms, you're going to want to use zip ties as an added safety feature, because they could easily be knocked off with a garment hook as you're pulling down a jacket or a suit. So on the very top row of Waterfall arms, use zip ties out of your inventory to help secure the metal sign holders onto the Waterfall arms.